ask yourself, what is preventing you from experiencing something that's safer for you? Because nobody should live with pain, or whatever your solution may be. I started in cannabis mostly as an investor in the early days in the United States. And it was very clear to me at that stage there was a need for more infrastructure because you need to have a cannabis facility. You need to have a grow facility. You need to have a manufacturing facility, and later it became you need to have dispensaries for sales. So building those infrastructures became what I was known for in the United States. And although I spent many years back in Vegas in the early days to become an operator, my heart was always into the European community. So bringing the cannabis know-how over to Europe birthed SOMAÍ. All the manufacturing is based in Portugal. So the manufacturing plus the new purchase of the grow, the indoor grow we just bought. So our operations for distribution all come from product made here in Portugal, made in Portugal, if you will. So Portugal is our main hub of manufacturing. But keep in mind, cannabis is a global aspect. The idea behind SOMAÍ is to make as many products as possible so that people have choice. So to date, we've made and stabilized over 100 products. Yeah, I've written a lot about this. Portugal is the epicenter of cannabis manufacturing and cultivation. I believe it's not only the largest infrastructure, it's an infrastructure that cannot be beaten by any new entrants of any EU country, because the regulations are appropriate for cannabis, and we have a regulatory agency that believes in what we're doing and helps us to get to our end goals. And this is very significantly important. One thing is the will of the people, the other thing is creating the opportunity for us to create a business in this country in order to export to other countries. So Portugal, hands down, #1 in Europe, and I don't see that changing ever. Well, we're applying for all the ACMs right now to Portugal. So we're doing 20 ACMs, and we're doing a variety of oral solutions. Even we're gonna try 1 or 2 more advanced solutions to explain those to Infomed, and we're hoping that we've chosen the right ones for the Portuguese market. And hopefully we can bring other products later. So that's just 20 just to start. But yes, these are your basic form factors. So you have high THC, which are typical formulations. You have balanced formulations, and then you have low THC or CBD dominant formulations. And those are your basic lineup for any starting market, whether it's here or Germany or any other country.
A nossa grande preocupação na SOMAÍ é que garantir que vamos de encontro às necessidades dos diferentes doentes. Por isso é que construímos um portfólio que vai responder a todas estas necessidades, caso seja o tipo de formulação, o tipo de indicação. Nós vamos começar por ter no mercado e submeter nos diferentes países, incluindo Portugal, produtos de soluções orais, com a nossa base de MCT, mas também melhorados no futuro com diferentes flavonoides, diferentes terpenos. Além disso, vamos também ter óleos para inalação, vamos ter sprays, vamos ter cápsulas de gelatina, portanto, todas as diferentes formulações para garantir que, seja qualquer necessidade que o doente tenha, seja dor crónica, seja que o doente tenha esclerose múltipla, que tenha diferentes formulações à sua disposição e também no médico para ajustar a terapêutica a esses doentes. Portanto, esta foi sempre a nossa preocupação, garantir esse portfólio completo que nenhuma outra empresa neste momento garante aos doentes.
I believe we're up to 52 or 55 people currently here in Portugal, plus with the new addition of our indoor cultivation purchase. I think that adds another 35 jobs that we will be responsible for. So I think by this summer we'll be at 100 currently operating in Portugal. What needs to happen in order for those businesses to flourish In order for this, one is the will of Portugal, which it's clear Portugal is supportive of our industry. The other is the will of the regulators in other countries to open up access for their patients. As countries start to open up access to their patients, and I'm definitely in the belief that we are sitting at the precipice of a global medical cannabis explosion, I believe you'll see regulations to support patient access going across the globe, and Portugal will be there to service it. So to that respect, SOMAÍ is what we are developing it to be, which is a cannabis powerhouse in the EU community. Cannabis isn't for everyone, but it can help a lot of people that don't have access.